What's going on, everybody? It's your brother, your uncle, your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, coming to you with another tech hack that I want you to add to your arsenal in order to get better on video as a real estate professional. So many months ago, I did a video, and you can see it right here, or it's somewhere on the screen, that walked agents that were not super savvy on how to edit content for social media through exactly what you need to do using a completely free app called CapCut. Strongly suggest that you download that app. I'll put the video in the description below. I found out a new update with CapCut that I wanted to share with you guys quickly that has allowed me to not only edit video faster without the need of hire out someone virtually to do my edits. I'm able to take my long form content and chop it up into bite-sized postable clips for social media lightning fast. Okay, so as you see on my screen right here, this is my CapCut desktop, and now there is a feature offered here in CapCut that's super dope, and it's called AI clip shorts, and it's an absolutely free feature that I normally had to post a video on a website like Opus Clips. And what I started hating about most things is that when a thing starts out, it starts out absolutely free, or it's just really functional and doing what it needs to do for my business. And then when everybody finds out about it, these companies start charging out of the wazoo. Now, using CapCut's AI technology upgrades, I'm able to upload 3 hours of video every single month to their AI. Will chop up these clips into bite-sized pieces that I can share on social media, along with some suggested hashtags and all sorts of goodies that are now free for CapCut users. So right here is an example of some content that I created on a long form video that I had CapCut create mini clips for social media. I click on one of these videos right here, for example. It says, understanding Jerome Powell's role in interest rates. It already suggested a title based on the context of what I talked about, which was the interest rate market at the present time. And if you play it here, which you may or may not be able to hear, but it literally took that particular moment in question that it believed was a complete thought that I created, and now it's a clip that I'm going to post on social media. Now I have no excuses for what content to post on a daily basis. Gives you the option if you want clips that are 60 seconds or less, a minute to 2 minutes, and even longer if you'd like to. But I think that this is a game changer, especially if you're like me and you're watching every dollar that goes out for marketing on a regular basis. This is a free option that is available to you now that I know you're going to take advantage of. And again, if you have not seen my video where I'm walking you through the training, how to learn this software in a weekend, be sure to click the link below, and I'll catch you on the next video. Hey, if you made it this far in the video and you are a real estate professional, consider partnering with me here at Real Brokerage. You pay nothing per month, get a fantastic split, and you have the opportunity to build a business through revenue share and stock purchases. Book a call at the link below in today's video, and I'm happy to have a conversation on why I was able to grow my business exponentially by moving my practice to Real Brokerage.